Welcome everybody, welcome to the channel. We're here at the George R. Brown Convention Center for the 2025 fishing show. Stay with us, we're gonna walk the showroom floor. Gonna check out the latest gear, boats, kayaks, prototypes. So join us as we get in here and do a walkthrough of the show floor. Well, we're in, guys. Houston Fishing Show at the George R. Brown. Let's check it out and see what's new this year. Thank you. Alright guys, we're in at the George R. Brown Convention Center 2025 fishing show. Let's do a walkthrough and let's get a load of some new gear, new products, and let's go through it. Gonna see if I can meet my buddy Mike here. Mike Ham, part of the fishing team. How you doing?
How you doing? Doing all right?
Yeah. All right. Load all these baits. Favorite color, man. Can't beat those.
What is that?
Fly fishing.
It's a cast
fly fishing section.
But ramps up puts a really good finish on it.
Hey, show notice that.
Couldn't give him the brush off.
Welcome everybody. Fishing show 2025. Well, I'm not even going to get into this section here. I can't afford it. Diamond custom beats.
You know, these bunch of stuff goes like just medium, heavy, 7.6. I'll put that from
Spook Junior.
They ain't worth the shit if you're trying to build lures. Even the medium heavies aren't really.
Well, if you're gonna come down to the fishing show, make sure you bring yourself some cash. That way you can load up on all your gear, favorite fishing equipment. Old 18.
Oh, that.
Fin-Addicts.
golden rod, especially, I mean, you'll never see corrosion on those.
That's what I was reading. I'm like, okay, right. And I was like, okay, hold on. Hold myself back. Put it back
I wonder if I should take one of these.
And they still got some help to it.
Hey man.
How's it going?
How you doing?
Good, how are
I'm
you?
Julian with Fishing Fin-Addicts.
Julian.
Yeah, I got a fishing channel on
Awesome.
YouTube. And
Awesome.
so you're on the channel right now.
Oh, cool.
Hey man, great to meet you, man. I see all your videos and I learn as I go.
I
So,
appreciate it.
man,
Thank you.
I see you use all these old 18
I do,
equipment.
yeah.
Tell me why you choose old 18. What's it?
So first and foremost, what gravitated, me to that channel, or not that channel, but to their brand is their veteran owned. So Randy is a Navy SEAL. Lucky is an F-18 pilot. I'm also prior Marine Corps, retired Marine Corps, and I was in the aviation community. So I can kind of speak the same language as those two guys, and it being a veteran-owned community, I can get behind that. The other thing is their master rod builder, Jake, has been in the fishing industry for well over 20 plus years.
Wow.
And he builds a great product. And so when I decided to partner with these guys 6 years ago, I want to say, probably 6 or so years ago, I was getting my rods from a custom rod builder, and when I talked to these guys, they said, we'll build you a rod based off of what you want, and it morphed into the buoyancy, and so that's why I'm with the guys.
I've seen your videos. They're light action, but yet they can hold and withstand the power of that redfish.
Yep.
You know those redfish, man, they can put up a battle.
It's a North Fork blank that they use to build them. And North Fork, for people who don't know, like actually get into the weeds of the actual fishing rod blank, is made by Gary Loomis.
Oh, okay.
So Loomis Rods.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, so he sold his company to Shimano, but he created North Fork Composites, and now that's basically the rod blanks that I'm using, and so they're super strong, very durable. The actual rod, this is my actual setup right here, and it's amazing. I mean, you see it on the channel if you watch the YouTube videos, catching some nice size inshore reds, and this is it right here. I've never had any issues with the rods themselves. The top of the line components, they're all handmade, so it's not machine made. Maybe the rod blank is machine made through North Fork, but everything else it's assembled by Jake, their master builder, and he's been in the business for a long time, so I've never had issues with my rods. So,
well, there you go, guys. You heard it from the man himself, Mark from MDLR. I appreciate your time, Mark.
Awesome, brother.
It was nice meeting you, man.
Yeah,
and
likewise.
maybe we'll catch you out on the water someday.
Awesome.
Marker 54 years in Montville, talking Texas redfish and trout fishing. That's at 12:15 in the seminar area at the back of the building.
Let's continue our way down, and let's see what these guys have stored for us.
He was like,
Excuse me. We come to the Gulf Shrimp area. Can't beat these for flounder. There you go. wide variety selection. Let's continue our way down. If you're gonna come down to the fishing show, make sure you're ready to do some walking. Bring you a backpack, carry your stuff in it. Anything you buy, you can throw it in your backpack. Keep you from carrying it in your hands. I'm trying to see if I can find my buddy
Matter of
Mike
fact, I've got the
around here somewhere. Check out this huge hobo. Wow. So we're in the kayak section. My favorite department of choice, Voyager 100P. I imagine that's for pedal. Go ahead, sir. Thank you.
And like rich,
A couple inches of water for sure. I like it better. I've got a whole account.
Impulse 120. 1549.
I like it for shallow. My old town knows it. How you doing, sir?
Hey, how's it going, buddy?
Doing it.
I'm Julian.
I'm Jacob with Jakey Baits.
Jake Bates.
Yes, sir. So, if you've got a minute, I'd love to talk to you all about my lures. My lures are made with 312 Blast Soft formula. All that means is they stretch instead of rip. They're a real dense bait. So speckled trout teeth don't go through it. Redfish sandpaper teeth don't shred them, nothing like that. You can go ahead and feel for yourself just how durable they actually are. And you feel those ribs on there? That's my ripper in a 3.5-inch variant. So when you pull it through the water, it actually sends vibrations through it. That when it hits the fish's sensor, makes it seem as an injured bait fish. So I'm trying to get
Strong ridges on there.
I'm sorry?
Some strong ridges on there.
Yes, sir. It's a real strong bait.
Where are you guys based out of?
We're based out of Angleton, Texas.
Angleton, Texas.
So I'm trying to get everything gone. This is actually going to be my last show because in June I ship out with the Army. I enlisted last November.
Oh, wow.
So all my colored tails have garlic fish attractant, as well as fluorescent glow built into the bait, and that doesn't wash out after a couple casts. You don't need to take it off your hook. It doesn't shrivel, doesn't need to recharge, doesn't shrink, nothing like that. Doesn't get more brittle over time. My baits remain super strong to keep their integrity. What's real cool about my party popper here is it's a clear bait with a bunch of glitter in it, but it also has fluorescent glow powder mixed in with it, so they glow in the dark. I have this one charging from my speaker light, as you can see, but they charge from phone flashlights, UV flashlights, UV rays. It doesn't matter what it is. And then these are my Ultra Grapes. It's a real dark purple color, but when you hold it up through the light, they turn into a nice UV blue. So
What's
I'm
the pricing on
doing some show specials today. They're 1 for 5 or 5 packs for 20.
1 for 5, 5 packs for 20?
Yes, sir.
There you go, guys. I appreciate it, buddy. Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you. You have a business card?
I do not, but Jakey Baits on Facebook, second E is capitalized. Message me what you want. You got a favorite lure you want, I can do my best to color match it. Just send me a picture of it, and I can ship anywhere. So
You guys Instagram?
I do not yet. I'm working on it right now.
Jakey Bates. All right, buddy. I appreciate your time.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And we've arrived at Costa Mars, Mirror 9.
And Mamba Boats. Talking Texas redfish and trout fishing.
Can't beat these trout
That's
for
at
winter trout
12:15
fishing.
in the back of the building in the seminar area.
the devil.
Guys, is there anything I can help y'all find? Okay. 15 apiece? Yes, sir.
Large variety. Maridine, devils, soft eye, fat boys.
This is, look at the big
Work our way around. Down south lures. These are your go-to baits for trout. Can't beat those for trout.
Thank you.
Oh, look at this bad boy.
That's gonna take.
Well, there sure is a lot of variety at the Houston Fishing Show. Rods, lures, just a little bit of everything. So, hope you guys were able to make it this year. If not, well, there's always next year. This is their 50th anniversary Houston Fishing Show. Let's keep going. Voodoo shrimp. Also some nice trout lures. Can't beat those.
Teach your lesson not to just take one.
Now remember at the mama farm. This is going to take forever.
Okay, wigglers. These are great lures for trout.
Area, we have Kevin Aiken, Parker 54 Lures, Mama Cook. We'll be talking about Texas redfish and trout fishing. That's right now in the center area.
Alright guys, we've arrived at the Bucks booth, and these things, you gotta try them out. If you've not fished with them, you've got to give them a try. Wonderful redfish baits, all sort of colors.
Well, let's see both of those right now, right? Yeah. One of my buddies is, give me 1 second. One of my buddies is over there. Yeah, it's a shame they're at the same time, you know? These are really good.
These are the ones that work wonders.
You got all day. You got twice.
Let's try to find Mike and so we can get a hold of Mike. He's around here somewhere. Texas Saltwater Fishing Magazine.
That's what happens all the time. It's a deer meat. This is something gets caught there.
3JD lures.
Okay, you take that, pop that in there. So if I were to pick colors like that, so I would go Texas whiskey. This one right here is called Game Changer. My buddy has we collaborated on this for like a year and a half. Got it exactly where we need it for this area specifically. It's called Game Changer. Very, very good bait. Another one I would do is Baby Crab. This is one of our fan favorites. The red flake in there just totally just gives that extra pop that it needs.
I see a lot of
Salty head, jig head.
I can't bring 100. I'm sorry. Okay. Sorry, everybody's been giving us hundreds. We don't got there very much change left.
Those are original jig heads right there. These are OGs.
Yeah, I got 3 packs of lures.
Go-to jig heads.
How's it going, sir?
Hey, how you doing, buddy? Doing all right?
Yes, sir. How
I'm
you doing?
Julian.
Nice to meet you, man.
I use nothing but these.
Awesome, dude. So you fish the Pro Series? So those are the Pro Series right there. So those are made with a 2X heavy wire mustad hook. Also, as you can see, it has a screw lock on there, so you can actually hold on to your soft lines a lot better. You don't have any issues of your fish pantsing you. Then also the design behind our head, we put all the weight distribution to the bottom of the head so you can dive down a lot quicker, get a better reaction strike out of the fish, and also it's tapered. As you can see, it gets narrow toward the top.
Right.
So with that, when you jig it, it actually cuts through the water a lot smoother. You won't have so much drag.
Oh, wow.
Then another thing that we love is that our lid, it reaches up to the eye of the hook. You see that? There's no like gap or anything like that. So if you have any grass or anything trying to get stuck in between there, it doesn't. It slides right off.
These are your first with the little twist lock, no?
Yeah, this is the first
I hadn't
one.
seen them before.
Yeah, these are new release right here.
And I'm like, man, I wish they'd make them with the twist lock on there.
Well, now
Keep
I
your
do.
bait on there, huh?
Yeah, exactly.
Well, there you go, guys. Come get your jig head, salty head. The go-to jig heads for me.
There we go.
What's your name?
George Gooseman. I'm the owner.
You're the owner. Nice to meet
Yes, sir.
you,
Nice
man.
to meet you,
Julian. Thank you.
No problem.
And we found our buddy Mike.
But anything else?
It'll be a little bit more. Oh, that's nice. Oh, dude, especially.
Mike.
I didn't see him either, but he's so sweet.
Mike.
Hey, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man.
What's up, brother?
Good to see you.
You're on Fishing Fin-Addicts, man.
Hey,
So what do you think?
setup? You got a beautiful setup there.
Hey, thanks, man. So what do you think about the show, man?
I love it. Love the show. Great advice. Great action. Great director over here.
Man, they got a large variety of everything, bro.
Huh?
They got a large variety of everything.
Yeah, I know, man.
It's great, man.
Yeah, this year, good show.
What'd you get?
Like some T-shirts and stuff, but also some cool jig heads and plastics.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right, so where we at, Mike? Excuse me.
We're at the Houston Fishing Show at the Bates Fishing Company vendor, and I'm just checking out their OG model.
Is that a prototype or is that the actual?
Plastic, you know.
No, this is the actual real. This is their totally machined out of aluminum here in Texas.
That's milk.
So local
That's
product.
not the frame. I'll show you the frame.
And then
Yeah.
That's how it starts up.
totally machined. No plastic molds. No, nothing's molded. All machined, hand machined.
Can't beat that.
Whatever you want.
No. And then you got these like beautiful Smooth grills. This looks like those old ambassadors they used to fish with their dads.
Is doing die cast or a plastic. This is a hammer grill.
Bates. There it is. Come check us out at Bates. Check out their line of products.
That's after service, basically. But this is
Insane. Look at that.
Yeah,
Mira, check it out. How much? About 5, 6?
easy.
Oh, okay. I can spin it around and sticks out.
You know what? I know what I got. I got those Rockzillas. No, that's why. Yeah, that's why. I got the big I like this kind of how it's jointed. That looks good.
I think these would be nice, like for flounder. Perfect.
Just wonder if they'll hold up. You know, like they won't rip off easy. Especially like right here. They won't like just rip off with a good bite. Oh man, look at that. Yeah, nice color. Some clear water on a bright day. Man.
We're at the Trucha booth. I like this one. Fisher's of Men. Yeah.
Oh, it's a long sleeve.
Oh, that's nice. Guys, don't forget, if you're at the fishing show, they got plenty of food. They got beef, turkey, jerky, nuts, cookies, and so forth. So no way you're gonna go hungry here. There he is.
Oh, look at it. That's hilarious. Look, check it out. He just caught a little bass off that your little red crappie jig that you guys got. Look, yeah, look, wow, check this out. That's so funny. I'm gonna take a picture of that. Look, I just caught this one like what was it? The February 8th. You cut it off like one of these little.
There he is. There's our boy.
That's awesome. That's freaking hilarious, dude. I gotta take a picture for our life.
Because you guys sent me the pictures, so I was trying to get all the pictures.
I love it. Thank you. Now you got like a lifelong fan here.
That took out the game, right?
I'm gonna send you some more when I get there.
Okay. Boy, I was like, wait a minute, what did he just say? He's like, wait a minute, that's my son. I told you when you guys send me pictures, we put them up. I thought he was gonna be here.
I was shocked. I asked him, so you want to come? He was like, man, I'm gonna hang out with mom. Like,
Well, that's what he missed today.
Hey guys, what's up? How we doing?
if he had been here, that would have been a real trip. Yeah, my boy. Thank y'all so much.
Thank you.
I love y'all.
Check this out.
Check it out, man. We got the most advanced piece of redneck engineering on the planet because drinking and fishing's been going together way too long, all right? So check it out. You point the spool where you want to cast it, pitch it out, you grab your slag and tip it back, and then you start ripping lips, taking sips, and reeling them in cold all summer long right there. That beach day item, y'all.
Can't beat that.
The chill in real.
Only koozie you can fish with, brother. Fishing koozie? Heck yeah.
Guys, featured on Shark Tank, Good Morning America, today's show's Christmas gift guide. It's an Amazon bestseller. We got chill anglers all over the globe having a good time with them.
All right, guys. So we're here at the fishing show 2025, and we're here at the kayak section. So let's have a look and let's see what these guys have here in the Fishing Tackle Unlimited booth. Old Town Sportsman. Look at that. This is the color. This is a new color that I like. I enjoy. Man, this is nice. Sold already. Wow. And this is the one that I have, but I have it in a different color. Awesome kayaks. I can honestly say that Old Town kayaks are top of the line. Some of the sturdiest kayaks you can fish off. I have no complaints whatsoever on my 120 PDL Sportsman. They're just wonderful kayaks. Jackson. They got the Hobie Mirage Outback.
Okay. And then it's
That one's sold. Tandem Hobie. I like Hobie. I can't say that they're not any good because I've never owned one, but I see them pretty much everywhere. But I think Hobie or Old Town, your two best brands for kayaks, in my opinion. I am not a kayak expert, just what I have been able to try out and maneuver out on the water, you know, so, but they're all awesome, wonderful kayaks.
Nice.
Well, something like this run.
This is the one that if I got one.
This is the 10 footer. This is a 12 footer. I like the color too. All right, guys, that does it from the Houston Fishing Show 2025 this year. I mean, you guys saw. They got kayaks, they got fishing products, they got you name it, lures. I mean, you can't find it anywhere else. You can find it definitely here at the Fishing Show. So that's it from our behalf. Hope you guys had a great time. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us, Fishing Fanatics, on our YouTube channel and on Instagram. So hope to see you out on the water soon. See you guys. Take care.